Hello! In this short video, I will talk about Cloudflare. Cloudflare is a service that I love very much and that I think that all web developers should be using. In this short video, I will talk a little about what Cloudflare is and provides and give reasons for using it. Cloudflare is a very big service, so I will not go into much detail in this video, but that will be topics for future videos. This video is not sponsored by Cloudflare or any other company, only my own company, ActiveOut AB, a freelance consulting company. Cloudflare is, on a technical level, a reverse proxy. A proxy, as you know, is something that sits between you and your traffic out to the internet, for example. A reverse proxy is something that sits between a site on the internet and you. I use Cloudflare as a reverse proxy for all my sites, almost. The things Cloudflare provides are, for example, firewall, denial of service protection, and other very useful features that it would be very complicated for me, or at least not as easy, to provide for each and my own servers that are hosted on different places for different reasons. So Cloudflare sits in front of our web servers. And one of my web servers is called hotlify.com. It's an upcoming service we're building. And I've logged into Cloudflare and looking at the overview dashboard that shows the traffic for Hotlify. So as all traffic goes through Cloudflare, we can see all traffic here. It's not on the same level of detail as in, for example, Google Analytics, but we get the details here. And it's on HTTP level, not on JavaScript level as in Google Analytics. So we don't have any much traffic here because this service is not released yet. One way that Cloudflare helps is by saving bandwidth. So we can see that of the lost requests, 110 of them were, or a third roughly, were not even sent to my server, but responded by Cloudflare's caching. But what I want to show today is the DNS tab. Cloudflare has proxied and DNS-only modes for the DNS. As a web developer, I hope you're familiar with the DNS setup you have and for your web hosting. We have two parts of Hotlify. We have the hotlify.com, which is a WordPress server that actually resides on this IP address. This one is proxied through Cloudflare. So when you go to hotlify.com, you go to Cloudflare servers, and then Cloudflare servers talk to this IP address. We also have the app.hotlify.com, and it is hosted with Google Firebase. And then we just use the DNS only here to send it to the Google Firebase URLs. But when we do like this, we don't get any of the protections or caching or anything that Cloudflare actually provides. So I'm thinking of switching this to use the proxied version instead. But on the other hand, Google is protecting this site, so we don't have to so much. this is just a normal DNS editor. We can add email servers, TXT records for example, DMARC, SPF records. But the real magic that is provided by the reason that you have to have your DNS with Cloudflare comes here. Let's see where I have it here. I create the record here, and this is the real server. But if I go and check the DNS here, it will be Cloudflare servers that answers on this address. So here I visited the server, and let's see if our analytics values has changed any. No, it does not update that quickly. But the core of the service is that we use Cloudflare for DNS, and when we get our requests, they will be proxied through Cloudflare and our server is protected. And of course, you want your servers protected. I will create separate videos about other features in Cloudflare. I hope you enjoyed this small show of the DNS part of Cloudflare. Thank you.